Exercise 4.3, question number 1. In this question, what is given? 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So first of all, we'll transpose 5 by 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So it will become 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So here you can see the denominators are same. So we can't change. Lavanya, why you are writing on my screen? Are you a small kid? So denominator 2 is given. So you can't, it's not compulsory now to change it into like fraction because it is already a like fraction. So you can easily subtract from here 37 minus 5, it will become 32 by 2. Okay, if the denominators are same, then the answer of denominator will also be the same. So when you will cut 32 by 2, you will be getting 16. So the value of 2y will be 16 here. Then as you know, we have done in the previous question, 2 and y, there is a multiplication sign in between. So when we will transpose this number on the right hand side, it will become division. So it will become 16 upon 2. So when you will cut this number and change it into the lowest form, it will become y is equal to 8. Any queries? You can raise your hand. Yes, Dhavanya unmuted.
Ma'am, means it is also a transposing method, but it is a long question only.
It is a long question. At least 2-3 marks question it carry. So these type of questions will also come in your paper.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, we are solving the right hand side. Ma'am, means 2y is the left hand side and 5-2 is the right hand side. So we are transposing right hand side.
It's not transporting beta, it's transposing. Okay, when you are shifting from left hand side to right hand side, addition will change into subtraction. So 37 by 2 will subtracted with 5 by 2. So you will be getting 32 by 2 here.
Okay, ma'am.
And then you will cut this number, you will be getting 16. Again, you will solve this and then you will be getting 8. RF, can you explain the B part? RF Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, YT plus 28. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. मैम उसके बाद मैम हम 28 को दूसरी साइड कर देंगे तो मैम 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. मैम साइन चेंज हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो लेफ्ट को है.
Ara, speak in English.
Okay. 5t is equal to minus 18. T is equal to minus 18 upon 5.
Okay. Then this will be the answer. If your answer is coming in proper fraction and you will not change it into decimal or mixed fraction, okay, this will be the answer. Swastik, next question. Yugesh, Dhavanya, your videos are closed. Swastik, your volume is not there. Not audible, beta. Check your mic. No. No, I can't hear you. Janmejay, unmute yourself and tell me about the next part. C part. Janmejay. You are not audible also. Janmejay, you are not audible. Vansh, tell me the next step. C part. Vansh Goyal. What will be the next step? Tell me the next step, beta.
Ma'am, A5 is equal to
A upon 5 is equal to, yes.
2 minus 3.
Right. A upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. Then when you will subtract this, how much you will be getting?
Ma'am, we will get minus 1.
Yes. So A upon 5 is equal to minus 1. Now this division will change into upon
Ma'am,
5.
then we write A is equal to
Yes.
A is equal to minus 1 by 5.
Multiply, beta. Divide will change into multiply. So it will become minus 1 multiply 5. So when you will multiply,
Minus-
how much you will be getting?
Ma'am, we will get minus 5.
Right. So the answer will be A is equal to minus 5. Correct. Now let's start with I part now. All of you start with I part. Jayavardhan unmuted. Jayavardhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me about I part. What we are going to do here?
Ma'am, the first step will be 3L divided by 2 multiplied by 3 by 2.
3 by 2. It's given 3L upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 3.
Ma'am, this will be 3L is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by 2.
Okay, 3L is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, divide will change into multiply. Okay, then the answer will be?
Ma'am, we will multiply by 3 by the numerator.
There is one more easy method I must tell you, that when you're writing, you straight away do L is equal to 2 by 3 is already given over here on the right hand side. And when you will transpose this number from 3 by 2 from left hand side to right hand side, it will get reciprocal. When you are changing a fraction from one side to another side, it will get reciprocal. Okay. So it will become 2 by 3 multiplied 2 by 3. The method which you are doing, that is also correct, Jayavardhan. Okay. And this is the easier method. I want to tell you, if the question will be of 1 mark, so you can use this method. Okay. So when a fraction is changed from their when we are transposing a fraction, that means the fraction will get reciprocal, and simply you will multiply and you will get the answer. I think you will be getting the same answer also. Yes or no? The method which you are telling me, Jayavardhan.
Yes, ma'am.
So you were doing 2 by 3, then multiply by 2. So you will be getting 4 by 3. Then again you are multiplying by 1 by 3. So you'll be getting 4 by 9 also. And you can do this method also. Both the methods you should know, na? Or you can do cross multiplication also. If somebody is doing with cross multiplication method, that is also correct. That is 3L multiply 3 and 2 multiply 2. That method is also correct. You can use any 3 methods. All the methods are correct. So the answer will be L is equal to 4/9. Clear? Yes, Avika unmuted. Hello? Avika, you're not audible. Your voice is cracking. I can't understand, beta. Your voice is not coming. Please, can you write it in your chat box, your query? I can check your chat box. Yes, you are audible now, but very low voice is coming. C part. C part you are saying? D. Please write in the chat box. E. E part. First A part. Okay, A part. In A part, what we have done, we have transposed plus 5/2 plus 5/2 into minus 5/2 from left hand side to right hand side. Okay. So my plus 5/2 will, when you're transposing this number and you are changing the positive number into negative number, so it will remain as it is. Plus 5/2 will change into minus 5/2 and the denominators are same. So you are going to simply subtract the number. So 37/5 minus 5 will become 32/2. If the denominators are same, you will write the denominators as it is. Okay. And when you change it into the lowest form, you are getting 16 here. So multiply, change into division. So 16/2, and then you'll be getting the answer y equal to 8 here. So in J part, what we have done, we have added first of all 3 plus 5. So we have got 8. Then divided by 3 is given. So we have multiplied it because we are shifting the digit from left side to right side. So divide 3 will change into multiply. So it will become 8 multiply 3. Then we'll get the answer 24. And then when we'll transpose 2 from left side to right side, it will become 24/2. That is 12. So the answer will be B equal to 12. Clear?